Imagine being put on a train by strangers and shipped across the country to live with people you've never met. This was the Orphan Train Movement. Between 1854 and 1929, over 200,000 homeless children were gathered from the streets of New York City and sent west. When the train stopped, the children were lined up on platforms like cattle. Farmers would walk by and inspect their teeth and muscles to see if they were strong enough to work. For some, it was a chance at a new family. But for many others, it was legalized slavery. They were taken purely for free labor on farms, often beaten and overworked. This heartbreaking experiment was the beginning of what we now call the foster care system.